last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this elastic time, we sink or swim. So hold on tight to now, 'cause time will wait for you. And this elastic flow, each second's precious true.
Back to our channel, and for today's video, welcome to Ras Al Khaimah. So andito tayo ngayon sa Robe Hotel Al Marjan. Bigla ang lakad lang to. So kararating lang namin, it's already 10 o'clock. Galing pa kami ng Dubai. So magdi-dinner lang kami at mamaya bibigyan ko kayo ng quick room tour. Okay, see you later guys. Welcome. Hello. Hi guys, so bibigyan ko kayo ng quick room tour. So ito yung door natin. So on this side, meron tayong ito yung washroom natin. Ayan yung kanyang mirror. Meron din siyang mga dental kit. Ayan, the usual thing na makikita sa room hotel natin. Ayan, meron silang mga poster here. And ito yung kanilang room. Standard room. And may cabinet sila dito. Ayan. And then, their usual quotes sa kanilang mga room. The sea is a book we all should read. And then, napaka-summer vibe ng kanilang kwarto. At meron din silang mini sofa, flat screen TV. And then, view natin is city view. Yan. So, tomorrow makikita ninyo yung ating view. Meron din silang vanity mirror dito. May mga complimentary coffee. And kettle and water. Yun lang. Simple lang yung bed natin. Simple lang yung ating room. Pero napaka-cozy. So, that's it, guys. Good morning, guys. So, dito na tayo sa pool area. Ayan. So, wala pa masyadong tao kasi hindi pa open yung pool. Open ng pool is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. So, dito na tayo. Welcome to Russell Kaima. Dagat. Good morning. 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 So this is the pool area. Banta. So, habang hindi pa open yung pool, maglakad-lakad muna tayo. Morning walk. Pawis muna tayo. Punta tayo sa may dagat. Doon tayo maglakad-lakad. Bebe, late na nagising. Man-made yan. Maliligo ka ba o ano? Down? Sa breakfast. Hi. Yeah.
في سبايسي ده العادي
Here's our breakfast. Let's eat. Hi guys! So, andito na kami nagsiswimming. Kasama ko si Miss Marichu.
Hi! Hello lang! Welcome to my guys! It's been a long time!
Yeah!
Kayo na ulit nag-collab, Char!
Ano yung vlog mo?
Please follow my YouTube channel. My Itchy Stories.
Story.
Share!
Ang dami na nagsiswimming guys. Kita ko sa inyo. Ayan, dami na nagsiswimming. Andun si ano. Kaway-kaway kayo dyan. Iyak na iyak si Inday. Hi guys! Ayan, check out na tayo. So, pabalik na tayo ng Dubai. So, nagstay lang tayo dito for one night. At, na-miss natin kasi ang Ras Al Khaimah. Kaya napunta rin tayo dito ng for one night. So, from here, pupunta lang kami sa Rock Mall. At may imimit kaming friend namin doon. So, thank you so much sa pagsama nyo sa amin dito sa Rock. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. at hit the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga uploads natin in the future. So, God bless everyone. Bye! Bye! We're going! See you again, Rob! This is Panther. This is Panther, ah. Bye.